Hi everyone. Now let's look about building our first new Java project. Right click in the project area, select new and on. Select Java project and spaces. Click on finish. And under your My First Project, you can see SRC and GRE system library folders. This GRE system library you'll get when you install Java on the system. It has all Java. When you right click on your project and go to properties, you can see the physical path where you have created this project. The workspace that we are using currently is Java for Selenium folder, and inside that workspace our project is saved. You have seen earlier how we are selecting the workspace. So let's go to this physical location and see what are the folders that we create. We have in settings one bin and source folders and .class, path and project. You'll see all of them later on. And currently if you go and see the source folder, you won't find anything. But we did not create any Java programs as of now in this project. Once we build the project, DLL will be coming in this place. Now, right click and select new and class file. Here the name. Select public static void main. Main method will be created by default. This main method is used to start the execution of the program. So whatever we write inside the main, that is the first thing that will be executed as part of this program. This is the class name. And we have to write our statements inside this main function. Remove this comment and let's start with a simple statement in Java to display the messages. System.out.println and let's write my first Java program. Okay, and then click on run. That's for saving. Yeah, always save like this. Always save just before constant. Okay. Program is saved and it's saved. And this is the output you can see in the console. So let us write one more line. Second line. At this time instead of println, I'll give only print line. And you see we have copied this and write it as print line and I will execute. To execute the program, you can click on run, or the shortcut is Ctrl F11. I've pressed Ctrl F11 and the program is executed. Now you can see in the console window output is my first Java program in one line, and then my second line, my third line in the same line. What is happening here? When you write println, the output is printed and the cursor is moved to the next line. But when you write print, the output is printed and the cursor remains in the same line. So if you change here print ln, let's see what happens. And I click on Control F7, the program is executed. This is the output. See now, all the three statements in different ways. This is a very simple example to show how we can create a Java first program. Okay, coming to the class. Class is defined in this way, and the syntax is public, which is the access modifier, and class, the keyword used to create the class, and the class. So the access modifier can be public, private, and others based upon how you want to give access to this class. And then let's look at this main function. Main function should always be having the same syntax. Like it should always be static and it should not return any value. We will see what the static and return type and modifiers in depth in the coming sessions. As of now, just remember that always the main function should be written in this way. Okay, so this is the class and this is one method inside the class. Similarly, you can create other methods. Say, I'll create one more public method, public. I'll not give static, it means it is non-static method of this class. So I'll give the return type as void. My first method, and then in this method I'll write again inside my first method. So what I did is here is within this method I will return one more statement which prints, say, inside my first method. So but this method should be called in order for this statement to exist. Let us see what happens if we do not call this method. Again I am running this program, Control F11. What happens? This is executed, this statement is also executed. But it didn't execute this statement. The reason is, whenever you run the program, main method by default is executed. So whatever the statements that are written inside the main method are executed. If we write something like this, my first program, okay, and why is it showing error here? Because Java is case sensitive and I have done wrong. Okay. Do not make a static reference to a non-static method. Okay, and in a while I'll be telling you what are all the methods and variables that can be used within the static methods like this main method. So as of now, let us declare this method also as static. Now if you run this program, Control F11. My first method is also printed, which is within this method. Let us put this one and run again. See. Now all the statements are executed. Even this method is also executed because we are calling this method within the main statement. So this method we are able to call because it is also a public method and it is a static method, which is why we are able to call from a static method, and this doesn't return any value, and that's the reason we have given it as void, and the name of the function is my first method, which we are calling. So that's it in this session. That we have seen how we can create program in your Eclipse, what main method is, how to create a class, how to create a method. Thank you very much.